In this video, we're going to go over the process of adding athletes into TeamBuildr. So there are basically three methods to do this, and they all take place under Coach Tools and Manage Users. So the first way to add an athlete is simply just to go to the bottom right where you see this green plus sign, and then you can go ahead and add in an athlete or client manually by typing in their first name, last name, and email address. So you do need a valid email address because when you do add an athlete here, it will send them an invitation to join the TeamBuildr account. Now you can fill in other information as well, such as assigning this athlete or client to a group, or assigning this athlete or client to a calendar. So that's the first method. The second method is going to be via Excel upload. So the first thing to do here is to download our template, and then you can fill out the relevant columns, first name, last name, email, and then you can go ahead and upload this template here while assigning the group of athletes to a group or a calendar. Now, the third method is called Easy Join Code, and this is probably the most recommended option, especially if you're dealing with a high number of athletes or clients. So in this method, you can actually create a new Easy Join code, which is a code and password that TeamBuildr will create for you. And if you have a team, such as basketball, you can go ahead and designate this team to go to a specific group. In this case, I'll just use the all group, and then you can assign them to a specific calendar like basketball. And then you can go ahead and determine whether you want your code to expire or not within a certain amount of time. Anyway, when you create the code, go ahead and copy the password and the join code, and then make sure you only send it to the athletes or the population that you want to receive this code. So for example, if you have three different calendars, you may be making three different sets of easy join codes in order to send those out. Now, these are the three methods for adding athletes into TeamBuildr. Sometimes athletes will go on and try to create their own account, and they sometimes create a free trial. It's not often, but if that's the case, you do have to let us know so that we can delete that athlete's free trial by getting their email address from you. That's a common mistake. And then also, if you're going to send out athlete invitations manually or upload a spreadsheet, just make sure that athletes are checking their inboxes and checking their spam and junk folders. Sometimes these spam and junk folders filters don't like the TeamBuildr email because they've never seen one before. So that is a consideration when adding athletes into TeamBuildr.